Hello guys, finally a movie came out on time. This is Creed 3. And this is the third movie in the Creed series. And the ninth movie in the Rocky timeline. Because of the 5 Rocky movies of Rocky Balboa, and then the first 2 Creed movies, and then the third movie. People actually said that this is actually a pretty good movie. So I got it. It has Michael B. Jordan, Tessa Thompson, and Jonathan Majors. 2 of them are in freaking Marvel movies. So, yeah. And one of them is a freaking criminal that got arrested. I don't think Jonathan Majors is returning to any more Creed movies either. Because they could probably make a 4th Creed movie. Milk these until, it goes dry. First, we gotta look at the strip cover. So this is the back of the strip cover. This is the side of the strip cover. And the front, this is basically the same thing, but we have the back here. You can't run from your past. You have Valkyrie here. You have, I don't know if that's the Creed guy or Jonathan Majors. Says, and then, yeah. Also, apparently, this movie is heavily inspired by Dragon Ball. So it's time we get the plastic off of Creed. I don't think Creed wants to be known as the plastic boxer. Let's pause the video for a second. Okay, the plastic is off. Let's open the box. And the Blu-ray was loose. So we have the Blu-ray here, which apparently in this writing is red. But it is actually, the disc actually is red. And then we have the DVD, which is just black as well. We also did the digital code, which we're not going to show the other side. But it's about Creed. And that's basically what this video here. Goodbye.